हमारे साइंटिस्टों ने माना है कि हम इंग्लिश को बहुत आसानी से सीख सकते हैं बिना किसी ग्रामर रूल की मदद के, सिर्फ बार बार अभ्यास कर कर, ठीक बच्चों की तरह जैसे वो बिना किसी रूल के इंग्लिश को सीखते हैं और बोलते हैं। धन्यवाद।
In a small colony, there lived a man named Sanju, who had worked at a general store since his childhood. He spent his entire life loyally working there without ever switching jobs. Over the years, Sanju learned everything about running a general store. He has known for his dedication and hard work. In the same colony, there was another man named Amit who worked at a stationery shop. Amit also learned all the ins and outs of his business. However, unlike Sanju and Amit was ambitious and deceitful, he betrayed his employer, opened his own stationery shop, and started to Sanju, "You will spend your whole life in poverty while I have become a rich shop owner." Despite Amit's taunts, Sanju continued his honest work at the general store. His employers noticed his dedication and were very pleased with his work. Eventually, they decided to reward him by giving him his own store. The customers in the colony recognized Sanju's friendly face and trusted his honesty. His store quickly became popular, attracting many customers. On the other hand, Amit, who opened his own stationery shop, tried to become rich quickly by overcharging his customers. Initially, he made a lot of money, but soon his customers realized they were being cheated and started avoiding his shop. Gradually, Amit's business started to decline, and his shop was on the verge of closing down. Meanwhile, Sanju's general store flourished. His honesty, dedication, and hard work paid off. He expanded his shop from one floor to two, and then from 2 floors to three. Customers were happy to buy from they trusted, and business continued to grow. In the end, life became an example of how honesty and hard work can lead to success. Dishonest ways led to his downfall, proving the short term gains achieved through are never sustainable. The story of Sanju us that integrity and are the true keys to long lasting success. If you like the story, please, because your like and comment motivate me to make this type of stories. Thanks a lot. In a small town, there lived a man known for his stinginess. While others viewed him as miserly, he saw himself as financially prudent. However, when an unexpected need for medical treatment arose, he found himself financially unprepared. Desperate, he reluctantly approached a generous individual known for his philanthropy. Instead of handing him money, the philanthropist offered invaluable advice. He explained that true wealth lies not in hoarding money but in using it wisely. He emphasized the importance of financial planning and investing in oneself and others. Moved by the wisdom imparted, the man underwent a profound transformation. He realized that his approach to money was flawed and that true fulfillment comes from generosity and wise stewardship. With newfound clarity, he began to prioritize financial responsibility and giving back to his community. He invested in his education, acquired valuable skills, and became a source of support for those in need. Over time, the once stingy man became known for his generosity and compassion. His journey from selfishness to selflessness inspired others to rethink their relationship with money and embrace a more purposeful approach to wealth. In the end, he discovered that the greatest richness lies not in the abundance of positions, but in the richness of the heart. Thanks a lot for today's story. If you like that, please like, comment, and share. Please do it. Thanks a